Hey everyone, it's Emily here. Happy Sunday. Hoping that I'll be able to see comments here. I haven't been live in a while, so just wanted to connect with you all. One of my goals last year was to do this more often, and I didn't quite achieve that. We're starting over in 2025, and it's one of my goals to be better at going live. We'll start with a couple times a month and then see if I can be consistent from there. Hello, Annalise. Thank you for joining. Let me know where you're joining from. My heart and prayers go out to all of those in California, all of those being affected by the natural disasters right now. I cannot imagine going through that and losing everything. People's safety, of course, is the most important. Thoughts and prayers go out to all of those, especially the first responders that are going straight into it. Billings, Montana. All right. Here it is. I'm in Rockford, Illinois. It is today it was a high of 30s, and this week it's supposed to get down to 4 degrees as a low. So not looking forward to that. I often ask why I live in the Midwest, but my family is all here. It was a big week for me last week. Work anniversary at my company Hughes. I am just got promoted to marketing manager, so that is exciting and love it there, surrounded by lots of empowering women, and we're female owned, so that's awesome. I was a full-time entrepreneur for about 20 years and just went back into the working world 2 years ago, but a beauty society business. Now I like to think I have the best of both worlds. There are so many things that I love about having a full-time job, and then there's so many things that I love about my beauty society business. I love the balance that I have going on here. It was also Rob and I's 18th wedding anniversary. Crazy to believe. We met here in town at Oscar's, the old-fashioned way. We met at a bar. But it has really worked out. We are best friends. Like every married couple, we go through our ups and downs, but it has definitely made us stronger throughout all of it. We went into Beloit, Wisconsin. We had steak at Merrill and Houston's, and then we stayed at the Goodwin. So lots of fun there. I am trying to get in vacation mode, booking both flights for Mexico because I earned a trip for the two of us. Rob and I are going to Cancun with Beauty Society in February. And then for those of you interested, the company covers the all-inclusive hotel. We're staying at something Condesa. It's beautiful. I've never been there before, but it looks beautiful. I think it's the Intercontinental Condesa. So if you've stayed there, let me know how it is. We're going to extend our trip a little bit past the Beauty Society stuff. We'll stay at a different hotel for a couple of days. Beauty Society covers all of the all-inclusive hotel. Rob and I cover our flights. So very much looking forward to that. And then we are going to Sarasota for spring break. My son, Josh, hi Sammy, keep growing, you're doing awesome. I'm watching you and cheering you on from afar. Hi Maria, thank you for joining. Hopefully you get to know me a little bit better, just talking about life and gonna show you the winter beauty box. So stay tuned for that. My son is a senior, Josh, and we're gonna take him and a few friends to Sarasota. Of course, Ava's gonna go too. Very much looking forward to that. It's all kind of hitting me that I have almost an adult son, and he's gonna be going away to college next year. Trying to soak up all that time with him. It's actually senior night at wrestling tomorrow. He got injured in his very first match. Hopefully he'll be able to go back in 2 weeks, but tomorrow is senior night. So looking forward to walking out with him for that. I am going to get down to business here and show you our winter beauty box. We do a quarterly beauty box. and I love it. It's $49 for our customers, and you never know what you're gonna get. There's always trial size skincare. Hi, Laura and Cheryl, how are you? Always trial size skincare, always a logo item, a full size product. There's usually about 7 products in here, valued over $150. I love the surprise factor. We just got this in December. The next one will be in March. What is cool is when you have any subscription with Beauty Society, you're considered a Society Plus member, which gives you all kinds of perks. You're killing it, Cheryl. Keep doing what you're doing, girl. I love watching you and can't wait to see you in Mexico. The perks of being a Society Plus member is that you get free shipping on every $50 order. You get 15% off every single order, as long as you have that active subscription. You get 50% off our product of the month, which changes every single month. I'm gonna show you what it is. It's one of my favorites. By the way, I have no makeup on right now, so I am showing you my bare face. I do have a little bit of lip gloss, and I do have fake lashes, but no makeup. I just have my skincare. This time it came with a little pedicure tool. Love that. It's a nice wood. Can't wait to use that. We all know in winter time, our feet can use all the care that they can get. So this is our Happy Feet Enzyme Mask for your feet. It's a little trial size that you get there. And our trial sizes are very nice sized. They're not just, oh, you can use it twice and then it's gone. This is gonna last you a good 7 to 14 days. Yes. I absolutely love Revival. It's one of my very favorites. I actually did the dermaplaning tonight, so I feel like my skin is extra glowy, getting all that good skincare in there. Love Thy Face is our Miracle Moisturizer. It's a little bit of a heavier cream, so I use that at nighttime. I'll either use that or anytime, anywhere. Anytime, anywhere is my favorite, the two. We have a little trial size of our Scalp Elixir. This is our Redemption Scalp Elixir. You put it right onto your scalp. I try to do right along where I part, and then I'll also do it in my hairline. I just have weird hair growing in, which is not a bad problem to have. I'm trying to get healthier hair, went a little darker for the winter. We'll probably throw a couple highlights in there for spring, but I'm trying to get healthier. So this product is awesome. I try to use it every time that I try to use it every night that I'm gonna wash my hair the next day. I love our lip glaze. We came out with a lip oil just a couple months ago. It comes in 3 different shades and just very moisturizing, very similar to the e.l.f. lip oil that's super popular, but much better ingredients. I love that we keep that in mind. We try to use a combination of effective ingredients as well as natural. That if you used all natural products, your products would never ever last. And they're not gonna work as well as if we have some clinical grade ingredients in there. This one is our little secret. It is one of our step 3s in our skincare systems. We have skincare regimens for every single skincare type. We make it easy for you. We put the step number right on the bottle so you don't have to forget which goes on first, which goes on next. I love that. Even knowing all the products, I like the simplicity of having the step right on there for me. We have sustainable products, so we have a refill program. Every time that a refill is purchased, a tree is planted. I love that. We even try to make our packaging eco-friendly, so all of the packing peanuts are biodegradable. They actually just disappear with water. It's pretty cool. And then we have a little head towel that came with that. You can sign up for the next beauty box now. The next one is gonna ship in March. You don't pay till March. Be sure to go and subscribe and you can get all those perks of being a Society Plus member before then. You also get a coupon. So that's always a surprise as well. You have to use it pretty quickly after you get your beauty box. It's about a month. I got my beauty boxes right before Christmas. I think I did pay for the expedited shipping, which was only an extra. It was only $5. But the coupon code is 15% off your entire purchase, and this one would expire January 20th. So that is the beauty box in a nutshell. And what else do I have here? I do have a revival, so I'm going to show you. Okay, printed out something to help me explain the ingredients to you. And do you think I grabbed it off the printer? I did not. No, it has sear mushroom. It has licorice extract and ashwagandha. I'm doing pretty good off memory here. This is Revival. It's a pre-serum. I think you can use it anytime. That is it right there. To also mix it in with my makeup foundation. So I'm going to put some extra on here. It just has a very, very light scent. So some skincare is stinky, right? I remember having some brands where Rob would be like, ooh, that's strong. Probably not a good thing. This goes on nicely. Gives you that nice glow on your skin. You can use this right after your cleansing. You can also mix a little into your foundation when you're putting your makeup on for an extra glow. Allows the rest of your skincare products to really absorb into your skin and helps them work better. Gives that glass skin look, and it is crazy that you can get it right now if you're a Society Plus member. It's only like, I'm going to stock up on a bunch of these for myself because it is one of my top 3 favorites that we sell. So getting my hands on that is also available in our starter kit right now. Starter kit, we have a $5 and a $59 kit. Exciting this month, our company is giving away $20,000 to advisors. And how they're entered is by signing up a new team member. So every day in January, Beauty Society is drawing a name and giving away $500 every single day. And then at the end of the month, giving away $1,000 to 5 lucky advisors. So I am keeping my fingers crossed that I'm one of the lucky winners. Our team has grown by about team members already in January. So excited about the growth and the amazing things happening here. Wanted to share the different starter kits. Let me grab a few things here. Okay, the $5 kit is going to come with Worth It, but it's going to be in clear. So Worth It is our lip gloss, but it's a lip plumper. It smells like Red Hots, but don't worry. Lips are pretty sensitive. I've tried other lip plumpers before and have had trouble. It doesn't bother me too much. If my lips are chapped, I'd avoid it. It does help give your lip a little boost. I love this. I use it all the time. It really doesn't bother me very much. I wouldn't even say very much. It's just like a little bit of a tingle. Put it on and then it goes away. The $5 kit comes with this, but it's actually rested. So I just wanted to show you the size. Comes with 10 of them. So rested is our sleep gummy, which I take every night. Rob takes it too. I need to put one on my side of the bed so that we don't have to share. That comes with a 5-day supply of rested, 10 servings of our Infuse. Infuse is my favorite product of all time. This is the very first product I tried from Beauty Society and one that I will not live without. Digestible hyaluronic acid that helps to keep you hydrated. It's gonna help with dark circles, hands, on your face. It's gonna help hair growth, many things that hydration helps with. Pain, feeling tired. It's just gonna keep you well hydrated. So don't go a day without this. I love it. Comes in pina colada. This one is unflavored. Has a little tiny bit of a taste, but where I'm like, oh, I don't want to take that. Refreshing. I feel like my body almost like every day. And then it comes with the advisor guide, if I didn't tell you that already. So it comes with Infuse, Trial Size Rested, Worth It, and the guide. If you want to go big, get the $59 kit. Products that it comes with in addition to the $5 kit are a trial size of our Confident, which is hair, skin, and nail gummies, and then a trial size of our Brilliant, which is our focus and memory gummy, and Revival. So in itself is worth it. You can do either option. Either option comes with a 60% off coupon code that you can use to build your own starter kit. So exciting. Just wanted to come on and say hello. It's been a minute. I wanted to share that I'm super excited. I got just ordered a makeup vanity for my room. I'm looking for just the right one, and I found it. So now I can be creating even better content, and I'm hoping that it helps eliminate the mess that's constantly on the bathroom counter. So I'll have to let you guys know how that goes, and have an amazing week, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. I'll act if there's any questions on here and answer as well. Bye guys.